Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit YouTube videos. So to get started, let's open video editing app. It could be anything. For now, I choose CapCut. Here, click on New Project. Now select a video that you want to edit. For now, let's choose this video. Now for your YouTube video, the video should be in the ratio of 16:9. For that, click on the aspect ratio. And here in third, you can see 16:9 ratio. So click on it. Now you can see your video ratio is changed into 16:9. Now if you want to edit your video, then click on Effects and click on Video Effects. Here you can add many effects like shown here. If you want to add text on video, then click on Text button and add text. If you want to add long video on YouTube, then select 16:9. But if you want to upload shorts on YouTube video, then you should select another ratio like 9:16. So in this way you can do basic editing for your YouTube video. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.